For America's electric companies, there's no off-season for storm prep. Before the storm hits, crews are already moving.
On the East Coast, they get hit with a ton of hurricanes. Midwest, they have tornadoes, and then the West Coast is fire.
It's something that we're working on every day, 365 days a year.
In the last 2 years, data and technology have revolutionized storm response efforts.
With this smart technology, we're able to make decisions quickly.
We've developed an application that will give a data-driven recommendation as to where we stage people, materials, and equipment in the right places.
When extreme weather hits, America's electric companies mobilize together.
In the event of a very large storm, then we may call on our neighboring utilities to come and help us out so that we can restore safely and quickly with the right number of resources.
We're not in it alone. That's one of the things I love about America's electric companies, and the fact that we do across this industry work together to tackle challenges, including getting the lights back on.